Got a simple bumper repair here. Get it taped up, take a look at the damage, and then grab your sander and sandpaper. Here I'm using some 220 and a simple DA sander. Get it sanded down, prime prepped, and try to go over it, knocking out the damage as best you can. After we sand it, you're going to use a red Scotch-Brite and some Windex to scuff it down and get your blend lines sort of figure out where you want your blend lines to be. It's going to need some Bondo in this one, so I'm using some Bondo and basically any of your favorite primer that you can use. I'm just using a single, nothing fancy primer from the auto parts store and a spray gun. Throw your primer on it. You want to throw the first layer down and sand it with 400 grit, and then throw a second layer of primer down, hit it with a little 600 grit after that, and then get your paint prepped and shoot this bad boy. So yeah, you sand it with 400 first, prime it, then hit it with 600 grit, prime it again, and then clean it and prepare for paint. Tack it off, knock the dust off of it, make sure there's no debris or bugs before you shoot it. In this case, this is just a Jaguar. We're painting it Mercedes 040 because it's just black and I don't have the paint on me. Nothing fancy, hot day, using a number 3 reducer, about half and half ish. Simple parking lot repair. Don't have to get crazy. Make sure your coverage is good on all the areas, and then the top edge to the fender, blend it out and let it dry. Next, you're going to grab your clear coat and make it shiny. Turn your pressure up, probably like 35 psi or something, whatever your gun's comfortable with. Make sure you got good coverage. Don't paint over your blend line, but make sure your areas are nice and tight. My blend lines are right about there, and I probably dusted a little bit too much overspray on it, but it's a parking lot repair on the quick. And then blend it out with some number 6 or number 5 reducer and a little bit of a clear coat. Make it shiny. Pull your tape and let her eat. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.